Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super cool stadium chair that is a foldable chair that you can take with you on the go to see your kids game, to a party, to an actual game or something like that, to avoid sitting in those like wood tables, like wood chairs or something like that, and then it's gonna be uncomfortable and your back is gonna be hurting. So this come here to actually solve that problem. The best thing is you actually have this bag right here that you can take with you on the go and take the chair in places. But if not, let me actually show you something. The whole thing, the actual chair, it's a backpack that you can take with you on the go to places. Super comfortable, convenient, and for sure it's lightweight as well. And let me actually show you how it works, because that's where the magic is happening. So you're gonna see that right here you're gonna have a set of straps that you can actually use to attach to the bottom of the wood or the chair or something like that. And then you're gonna see right here with a Velcro, you're gonna remove this, and then you're gonna actually reveal the whole chair. So hear me out. You do this, and once you reach this position, you're gonna see that this is one of the arms, here's the other one, and they're gonna be fixed. But then you apply some pressure, just like that, and then you can see this is one, and then you can see here's the other one. So now you're gonna have the arms in the fixed position to transform it into a chair. But when you're transforming into a chair, you need to make sure that this is actually clicking. And to make sure, you just push it to the edge right here, and then you're gonna hear a clack, just like this. There you go. And then you're gonna have each position with each one of the clicks. Just 1, 2, and 3. That's it. If you go further than that, it's gonna actually flex and it's gonna be in foldable mode again. So if you're going to a game, you can actually use this as a really nice position. It has some kind of a lumbar support because it's a firm chair. It's cushioned for sure, as you can see right here, but it's also firm. So it's gonna avoid for your body to kind of like feel super tired and like sitting in a super weird position, because this, with your armrest right here on the sides, is gonna give you a really nice position. But also something super good right here, it comes with a zipper and also a place for you to put your drinks if you want. So that's super, super convenient. Here you can take a better look. As I was saying before, this is cushion, but also super firm, and it's the same right here on the back and on the sides. It offers really nice cushion on the armrest as well. But then if you want to fold it again, it is actually super easy. Remember that I told you not to go further? Then you can do it now. You further one, and then you can actually do it this way. And once that is there, you just press and press, and this is all ready to be again with the Velcro. You can push it again right here on the actual strap, and once you're done, you put the Velcro back, and this now again, it's a backpack. So this is all set. You put it again as a backpack, and you're all set, ready to go for the next game. I like this product. It's super convenient, comfortable as well, and super easy to use. It's lightweight to take it with you on the go. Thumbs up for sure. Recommended. Thanks to Bram for sending this one to me. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.